Hello, welcome back to Juxtello iTech. Today, we're diving into the world of career advancement. If you've set your sights on that well-deserved promotion, you're in the right place. Applying for a promotion is an exciting step, and we're here to guide you through the essential documents you need to ensure a successful application. Let's kick things off with the first document on our checklist. 1. Application letter. The cornerstone of your promotion application is the application letter. 1. Addressed to the regional director through the district director, this letter should clearly express your intent to apply for a promotion. 1. Take the opportunity to outline why you believe you deserve the promotion. 1. Your application letter sets the tone for the entire package. Now, on to the next documents in your arsenal. Payslip before the current promotion. For a solid comparison, include a payslip from the period before your current promotion. This document serves as evidence of your previous salary and job position, establishing a baseline for assessing your career progression. Payslip after promotion. Equally important is a payslip from the period after your promotion. This payslip is a testament to your new salary and job position, providing concrete proof of the increased responsibilities and benefits associated with the promotion. And now, the comprehensive document that paints a full picture of you. 1. Personal record form with affixed passport pictures. Complete a personal record form with accurate and up-to-date information. 1. This form, adorned with affixed passport pictures, offers a detailed overview of you, covering personal details, employment history, educational qualifications, and any other relevant information your organization requires. Now, to ensure a seamless application process, follow these submission requirements. 2 copies of each document. Prepare 2 sets of each document, including the application letter, payslips, and personal record form. Submit 1 set and keep the duplicate for your personal records or future reference. 2 passport pictures. Attach 2 recent passport-sized photographs to each set of documents. Ensure these pictures are clear, professional, and adhere to the organization's guidelines for official photographs. Remember, your application letter, payslips, and personal record form are crucial components in building a compelling case for your promotion. By meeting these submission requirements and presenting complete, accurate, and neatly organized documents, you're on your way to increasing your chances of a successful promotion application. Best of luck in your career journey. This is Juxtello iTech, signing off.